The Smart Series Powerstep from AMP Research is a fully automated running board that instantly extends when you open your door and then retracts up and out of sight after your door is closed. And with the AMP Research Smart Series installed on your Apple or Android smartphone, you have full control of your power steps at your fingertips. Let's get started. We'll be installing the Smart Series Power Steps on a 2020 GMC Sierra pickup. The installation may vary slightly for other models, so consult the printed installation instructions specific to your vehicle model before beginning. Here's what you'll need to do the job. To begin, gather up the 2 electric motors and prepare to attach them to each of the motor linkage assemblies. You'll also need the included 4mm socket cap screws and washers. Next, seat the motor into position on the linkage using the 3 mounting bosses. Note that you may need to help align the motor by moving the swing arm slightly, as this will help align the gear with the motor. You will also need to cycle the linkage by hand to a midpoint in its travel, in order to later access the lower mounting hole in the motor linkage. Then, fasten the motor with the screws and tighten with a 4mm Allen wrench socket to 36 inch-pounds. Do not over-tighten. Take a look underneath the driver's side of the truck and locate the existing mounts for installation of running board linkages. Now, mount both linkage assemblies. Make sure the unit is square, fully resting on bolts before you tighten. Attach the 2 13mm mounting bolts, starting with the one closest to the gear housing motor. Use your socket or straight wrench to tighten to 16 foot-pounds. Repeat these steps for the passenger side. Carefully place the left running board on top of the linkage assemblies. On the underside of the running board, you'll see 2 sliding T-nuts used to attach the boards. Slide these to align with the 2 linkage assemblies. Insert the supplied socket screws, but keep them loosely fitted for now. Next, we're going to gently slide the board into its final alignment. Position 5 to 8 inches from the front edge of the driver front door, depending on your preference. Tighten the socket screws to 10 foot-pounds using a torque wrench with a 3/16 inch Allen socket. Repeat these steps on the passenger side. It's time to install the harness. First, remove the 2 fuses from the wire harness, then connect the factory controller. Note that these connections only go in one way. Do not force them into place. Then, use the 2 provided 11-inch zip ties to mount the controller to a nearby stable location, away from heat and any moving parts. Route the shorter end of the wire harness down the passenger side wheel well for access underneath the truck, then route the longer end above the engine, and then down through the driver's side wheel well. Note: don't zip tie as you go. It's best to wait until the entire harness is fully extended and plugged in before securing. Route the harness to the linkage assemblies on both sides and plug into the motors. Now you can secure the new harness to the existing factory harness with the supplied zip ties. And here's a tip: following an existing factory wire harness is a safe bet. Be sure to route your new harness sections to avoid components that move while the truck is in operation, and also away from components that get hot. Now connect the harness to your battery terminal distribution box, the black wire to the negative terminal, and of course, the red wire to the positive terminal. Next, we are going to run the yellow trigger wire into the cabin. Start by pulling up the driver's side front kick panel and door sill plate. Roll back the carpet to expose the bare floor panel. This GMC has an existing hole and grommet for easy access to the cab, but the other models may require drilling a hole for those wires to pass through. Please consult your printed installation guide for details on that. Locate the grommet and remove. Poke a small hole through it and thread the trigger wire up into the cabin of the vehicle. Replace the grommet and then seal it with silicone sealer. Now, we will connect the yellow trigger wire to the yellow and black wire of the plug-and-play module. Strip the wires if necessary, then connect them using the supplied Posi-Lock connector. Plug the module into the truck's OBD2 port. Now route your yellow wire through the existing channel and then replace the trim pieces you removed. Next, we're going to prep for the LED lights. Take a look underneath the driver's side of the truck. We're going to be drilling 2 holes in the pinch weld here for the wires to pass through. The first hole will be drilled 8 inches behind the front linkage, and the second hole will be drilled 6 inches in front of the rear linkage. Use tape to indicate these spots. Use a center punch to mark the spot, 1/2 inch midpoint of the pinch weld, and use your drill to make a 19/64 inch hole. Use a handheld deburring tool to clean up the hole. And lastly, insert the supplied grommet. Now, route the LED wires through the hole, clean the rocker panel with rubbing alcohol, and stick the lights on as shown. Splice the ends of all the wires and connect using supplied butt connectors, red to red and black to black. Use your stripping tool to crimp connection. Use a heat gun to shrink the tubing to seal the connection. Finally, wrap the wires with electrical tape. Secure all loose wires with zip ties. Repeat for the remaining 3 LED lights. Check to see that the power steps activate properly and the LED lights work when the doors open and close. Note that there's a 2-second delay before the steps stow back into place. Now that we're done with the physical install, it's time to download the AMP Research Smart Series app to your smartphone or tablet. It's as easy as scanning the QR code on the printed instructions and following the prompts. Once installed, you can remotely control the functions and features of your AMP Research power steps. From overriding the standard automatic functions to controlling the steps' LED and auxiliary lights, the Smart Series app puts control at your fingertips. The Smart Series app has 3 separate control screens, selected by the tabs at the bottom of the screen: Powerstep Override, Lights, and Status. The Powerstep Override screen allows you to override the automated function of the power steps. You can keep the power steps extended when the doors are closed, a feature that can really come in handy when unloading cargo or washing the truck's exterior. You can also keep the power steps retracted when the doors are open. Override times are adjustable in 5-minute increments, from 5 to 30 minutes, with the power steps returning to their automated function after the time has expired and one of the vehicle doors is operated. The Lights screen allows you to control the behavior of the included power step lights, as well as any other optional auxiliary lights that may have been installed. The Status screen displays current and historical information of the vehicle and power step system, providing helpful data to help troubleshoot any potential issues with the system. So that does it. Your AMP Research Smart Series power steps are now fully installed, and you've got the controls right in the palm of your hand. Thanks for watching. For information, visit amp-research.com or call 800-309-6823.